This is the Terbold Automotive funnel. I'm really happy with this funnel. I've been using it for a while. I like it for, this is on a Sea-Doo PWC wave runner here. What I like about this, it should go pretty deep inside here. It's exactly where it needs to be. And it just does a phenomenal job. I like this one because it does have the bendable section right here. And it is in 2 pieces, so you could take it apart and store it or wash it or whatever. But I've been using this funnel for a while. Very happy with it. You can see here it's got the wire area to make sure nothing gets through there, just as normal funnels do. But overall, this is a really great brand and highly recommend picking one of these up. If you're filling oil up in boats or wave runners, this is absolutely one you want to use. It's got the handle right here you could hold, and then like I said, it just goes into the area where you have to put the oil in. Really nice and easy to see. There's the dipstick right there. But overall, I'm very happy with this. This does come in different colors. This is the blue one here. So highly recommend picking one of these up if you're dealing with a boat motor, a wave runner motor, or some small engine, because this is really nice because it's flexible here. Highly recommend this one.